Hello friends. So today we will discuss about SQL where clause. In our previous videos we discussed about SQL select statement, then select distinct statement, and today we will discuss where clause. So this is used to fetch basically filter data in a result set, and it is used to fetch this particular data according to a particular criteria or a specified condition. So first we will see syntax. So this is the syntax if we want to use a where clause. First we write select, then name of the columns from which we want data, then from, and then table name, then where condition. So where is written as it is, and then we write condition. It may be like equal to, it may be greater than, it may be less than, between, like that. So this is the syntax. I will explain you this particular where clause from with the help of SQL Management Studio. Uh, One important point that you should note here is that where clause is not only used in select statement, it is also used in update, delete, etc. So now we will see query in the SQL Management Studio. So this is the table that we have been discussing from our first video itself. So this is the table, and now I want to take the help of this table to understand where clause. So I can say select star from, then name of the table. Now I will write the condition here. So I can have any condition, but let's say I want only the name of the I only want records where name is Tony. So I will write this particular query like this. So one important point that we should note here is that most of the database server supports this particular varchar in either single quotes or double quotes. Whereas if we want to, if we have numeric here, then we don't need to apply any single or double quotes in any of the SQL server. So if I execute this query, I will get only the Tony details. So basically this is the meaning of where clause. Let me show you one more example. Like I want select star means all the columns from marks where class is I want class as 10th. So I will say this. So I will write this way. Now I will execute this query. So I will get all the columns in which class is 10th. So this is how we can use where clause. I will also try to take one example in which I will not be using variable character. I will be using numeric, and the idea is to make you explain that if we are using numeric in where condition, we don't need single or double quotes. Select star from marks where here let's say I want वो कंडीशन जहाँ पे फिजिक्स 80 है. सो बराक तो मुझे सामने दिख रहा है, बट लेट्स सी. सो यहाँ पे ये इसमें नहीं आएगा, ये ऐसे आएगा फिजिक्स. यस. So if I execute this query, I will get all the students जिनके physics में 80 marks है. So this is how this where clause is working. Now let's come to the presentation itself. Text field versus numeric field. I already discussed this. That SQL requires single quotes around text value. Most database system will also allow double quotes. So basis the database server that we are using, we can either use single quotes or double quotes. However, numeric fields should not be enclosed in quotes. I already explained this particular part as well as from that particular table marks. Then there are certain operators which can be used in the where clause. So this is equal operator. Then we have greater than. Then we have less than. This is for greater than or equal to. Then this is for less than or equal to. This is for not equal. Between can also be used. For example, I want all those students name whose marks are between say 60 and 80. So we can also use between, then we can also use like. So like is basically used to search for a certain pattern. For example, मुझे वो वाले नाम चाहिए जो U से start हो रहे हैं, तो I can use like operator. So we will study about like operator in a more detailed way in subsequent videos, but for now just understand that this is used to search for a particular pattern. Then we can also have one more operator in. So this is used to specify multiple possible values for a column. So like equal is used for a single value, but if I have more than one value, let me explain you with the help of this. So for example, I want uh, name of the students who are studying in class 10th as well as 11th. So in case if I have to execute this particular query, I need to write this way: class in 10th, then 11, like this. So in is basically used to specify multiple possible values for a column. So if I execute this query, I will find all the students name, class. So, okay, so equal will not be used, it will be used like this way. So if I execute this query, I will get this particular data where I am having all the students who are studying in class 10th as well as class 11th. So this is essentially the meaning of in operator. So this was all about where clause. It's a very important clause that is being used in most of the SQL queries when you start analyzing data with the help of SQL. We will study more commands in our subsequent videos. So I hope you are finding this video useful. In case you have any doubt in what we are discussing, you can always comment and I will happily explain you. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you, friends.